welcome back everybody, and today's video I'm going to tell you about how you can make your own Hytale server and allow your friends to join it from anywhere in the world without port forwarding. Well, this was possible in Minecraft and it is possible in Hytale too, thanks to Playit GG. And yeah, today's video is not about Minecraft, it is about next Minecraft, I guess. Next Minecraft made by Hypixel. Well, so let's get started. But before we start, I want to say that first thing, before we start video, I am currently using Linux, so most of the command will be Linux based. But don't worry, Windows users, I got you covered. Look in the description, I will add all the Windows command there. And this process is almost the same, so don't worry. Before we start, YouTube says that 99.4% of you aren't subscribed. So, if you're watching my videos, you have to subscribe because you are enjoying my content and you are learning things and you want to learn new things, and so you need to subscribe. It will really help. Alright, let's get started. Okay, create a folder for your server. I have already created it, Hytale server, and I'm going to open it in terminal. Now, inside terminal, if you are on Linux, you may need to update your system, so we will do sudo update and all, but I don't need, so I will skip this part. Also, you need to install Java if you don't have already. All the commands will be in description. Okay, so install Java also. And once you install the Java, let's go on to install the Hytale server installer. So this is the command to install the Hytale server. So let's run it. Once it is run, once it is downloaded, extract the file and run the installer. On Linux, you may need to rename the file and run it using .slash filename. But I'm not going to rename it, so I will just rename the file and copy the name. Now go in terminal and // paste. Now it will download all the required files, server files automatically. We will just wait until it finishes. Okay, so till it is happening, till it is downloading, we are going to allow your friends to join without port forwarding. We will use Playit.gg. For Linux, these are the commands you can run to download Playit.gg on your terminal. And for Windows, just download the exe installer and run it. For Linux, once you have downloaded the Playit.gg, just type Playit and it will show you a GUI CLI like this. Okay, I have already created the tunnel and all, so I will just wait. I will just go and delete it. Okay, so it is now asking me to log in. Go through this link. I will open the link. It is asking me to create new agent. I will create new agent. And then we will create a new tunnel. Well, the region will be global because I am a free user. If you are not, you can select whatever you want. I want to select game Hytale, okay, because I want to play a Hytale. And then let's just create. Once created, Playit will generate a public IP hostname. So now this is the zip. And here we can see two folders, name, server and asset. Let's cut them from here and paste it in the main file. And let's delete the rest of the files because we don't need them. These two are the only main thing we need. Okay, so now to run the Hytale server, you need to run this command. Well, I guess it is same for Linux and Windows also. And because I want to give it 2 GB RAM, so I will set up 2 GB RAM. So it consumes 2 GB RAM. Okay. Alright, so let it start. Once it is started, you can see that there is a line saying that auth login to do auth login. So we will type auth login in the terminal. And it gave us this link and then this code, and there is a link with the code included. Let's open it, authorize the device, and once it is authorized, let's see auth status. Yeah, it is authorized now. Okay, so in Hytale, operators are not added using usernames. They are added using UIDs. So we will do op add UID, and that's it. You have made yourself op. Okay, so to test the server, it's on. Let's open Hytale. In Hytale, I have one localhost and one with the Playit IP. Let's join the local. So as you can see, I'm able to connect to the server, which means it is up and running perfectly. But we are connected to it with localhost and our players cannot join localhost. So we got to try the Playit IP too. So I will just disconnect to the server and then join the server using Playit IP. And as you can see, we are able to connect to the Playit server. I mean, not Playit server, server using Playit IP. And that's how you can make your own Hytale server without port forwarding. And that's it for today's video. If you guys like the video, please make sure you subscribe, like, and let me know in the comments what kind of video you want next. Till then, peace.